And today we'll be test driving a new BMW. Little sedan, it's nice. It's got a nice ride, smooth, quiet interior. I can't play any music for you because YouTube will restrict my video from being played for copyright infringement. But I'll just kind of talk you through it. Up here on the right, we had some rather large alligators come out, so they installed a fence, big black fence. So the alligator, at night they like to come out and cross over the road, things like that. So let's take a little tour around the airport here. If we're lucky, a plane will cross over the top here, but doesn't look like one's coming right now. Sometimes we get a plane, a train, a shuttle all at the same time. It's really neat. Wish I could videotape that for you, but don't have the time and the money right now. Definitely need some more subscribers. Let's head on over here to the Bright Line high-speed rail. You'll be taking the Blue C terminal exit for that. Well, depends on if you're renting a car or just picking someone up. But over here on the left, you see we have the glass windows for the train station. And this is a international terminal, C in blue. And over here, straight ahead, we'll have the train station. And that's all I can show you for this trip.